Hey there! Today is the second day before Christmas and we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookie dough cupcakes. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am for Christmas. And as always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. We're going to start by getting our butter and sugar and mixing that well. Then add in 2 eggs to this. Combine that. And then get your flour. We're going to add our baking powder, baking soda, and salt to this. And give it a quick whisk. And add a portion to it to your butter mixture. Incorporate that well. Then we're going to add in our vanilla extract and half of our milk. And mix that well. Add another portion of the flour and mix that well. And then that last portion of milk and combine that. And finally the last bit of flour and mix it together for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to be adding my mini chocolate chips to this and combining it with a spatula. Then get your cupcake tray with your liners and then we're going to start scooping this. So this does make about 2 dozen cupcakes. Bake at 425 for 5 minutes and then at 375 for 13 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to be making an edible cookie dough to put on top. So it's just your flour, butter, sugar, brown sugar, salt, milk, vanilla extract, and some mini chocolate chips. Make sure you bake your flour at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes before adding it to this so that it's edible. And mix it all together with your hand. You can also fill the cupcakes with this and use a regular buttercream to decorate on top. Once your cupcakes have had plenty of time to chill, I'm just going to put a scoopful of this edible cookie dough on top. You can always pipe it on, or like I said, you can always put just regular buttercream on there and fill them with this. And here are our chocolate chip cookie dough cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed these chocolate chip cookie dough cupcakes. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all the holiday treats I've been making, I do post on Instagram. All my links are down below in the description box. I hope you've been having a wonderful holiday season, and until next time, stay sweet.